Alright, so if you want to get this logo, go right here. This is flamingtext.com. Really nice. This is my YouTube channel. I'm going to give you a tour of it now. So, right now you can see this is live right now. So if I open that, and sorry, we have a little delay there. So, here, my first playlist is my older videos from the old David Services channel. Now you can see it is just called Drummer Tech. Here is the App of the Week playlist. This is where I keep all my App of the Week videos. Here is my recent uploads. Here are my playlists. My popular uploads. And I forgot to mention you, here's the link to email me. I am drummertech@gmail.com. Here's the link to the Google Plus page. There's two Google Plus pages here, one for the Drummer Tech and one for mine, and my WordPress blog. And here, of course, you can subscribe, but it's not going to let me subscribe for myself. Then here are my two favorite channels. So, here are my videos. You can see my recent uploads here. If you click here, you can see all my uploads. I think I have 21 videos right now. So, here are my playlists. I have my Drummer Tech playlist, which has all my Drummer Tech, my App of the Week playlist, and my David Services playlist. Here's the discussion where you can discuss stuff with me. And then here's the About tab. I have more about stuff on my Google Plus page, which is on this link. And then, of course, you can search the channel. So now I'm going to, before I have to leave, give you what's on my Mac. So let's go. So first up here in Storage and Sync, I have Time Machine, of course, Google Drive, Dropbox, SkyDrive. It's now called OneDrive. I haven't updated it yet since then. I have SyncMate, which I don't use that much anymore, and ShareTool. And here I have the Mac App Store, of course, Mission Control, Clear, Day One. And then here is my productivity folder. I have Calendar, Contact, Firetax, Fantastical, Pocket, Cheddar, I Procrastinate, Reminders, Evernote, and Productive. Mail. Here's my web category. Here I have Google Chrome, Crossover Explorer, which I installed in one of my other videos. It's called Crossover Mac App, if you want to check it out. Mozilla Firefox, and Safari. Here's my social networking folder. I have most of my social networking, of course, on my internet, but here are my desktop apps. I have Messages, FaceTime, Trillion, Microsoft Messenger, and Skype. Here's some of my other text apps, some of my other text apps I'm going to show you soon. But here I have Notes, Text Edit, PDF Pen, iBooks Author, Compositions, Imagine, Prismo. Here's my iLife folder. I have iPhoto, iMovie, iDVD, and iWeb. Oops. Here I have Parallels Desktop for Mac. This is the 8th version. I need to upgrade to the 9, but I don't have Windows for it yet, so it's basically useless. I would have run a Linux simulation, but of course I can't do that. and I used to use the Chrome OS simulation, but now I actually have Chrome OS myself, so that is better. Here I have Sparrow, I have QuickTime. Here's my first music folder. You know, I am a avid musician, so that's basically a lot what I do. So I have Spotify, I have Vox, SoundBunny, Mix, Ableton Live 8. This is the beta version for Mavericks. Mainstage, Radio Clock, eMedia Piano Method, MuseScore, Virtual DJ Home Edition, Easy Music Converter, Tag, Boom Beats, Winamp, Sonora, Scarlett Mix Control, Map Server, MIDI Logger for Reason, Mixmaster Piano Analyzer, the editor for the Remote SL, Innovation, Mainstage 3, AAS Player, Intermediate Piano Method by eMedia, SLMK2 Editor, Amplitude 3, and the IK Multimedia Authorization Manager. Here's my second music folder. I have Logic Pro 10, Custom Shop, Sample Tank 2.5, Controller Editor, and Tractor, and Service Center from Native Instruments, Evolution 3, T-Rack SCS, Scratch Slide. This is not the full version. My Tractor is also not the full version. Virtual DJ Pro Full, and iLok. Here's Dictionary Preview. Here's my iWork folder. I have pages, numbers, and then set. If you wait a second, my computer is lagging. So here's my utilities folder. It's not too interesting, but still I'll go through it. I have System Preferences via an archiver. It's much better than the Mac archive utility. Himmelbar, Mobile Mouse Server, Burn, Microsoft Silverlight, VoiceOver Utility, Airport Utility, Migration Assistant, Terminal, Activity Monitor, Console, Keychain Access, Apple Script Editor, Disk Utility, Bootcamp Assistant, Digital Color Meter, Color Sync Utility, Bluetooth File Exchange, Audio MIDI Setup, X11, System Information, IPNet Monitor X, Grapher, and Unity. And here is my videos folder. This is what I use for making my videos. I also have Wirecast, which I'm not using right now. It's not working correctly, but it should be in here. Final Cut Pro, Camtasia 2, Grab, Reflector, Little Snapper, Air Server 3.0.3, 5, and DaVinci Resolve Lite. Here's my Office folder. This has the Office 2011 apps. I have Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and from Crossover I have PowerPoint Viewer 2007, Excel Viewer 2007, and Word Viewer 2003. Then I also have Microsoft Query, Solver, some register thing, I can't read that. The database utility, some reminder thing, I can't read that either. Microsoft Desktop Connection, Remote Desktop Connection. Here's my other folder. I have Mac Tracker, Launch Bar, Kindle, Yo Window Weather, Crossover, Dropzone, Pathfinder, Text Expander, Stickies, Calculator, Typefoo, Extra Finder, DVD Player, Chess, Fontbook, Automator, Mavis Beacon teaches typing 18. That is from Crossover. I don't use that anymore. Habits. I need to upgrade to the newest version. Stationery Pack, Converto, iReader, and Image Capture. Here is my games folder. I have Game Center, Minecraft, Pocket Planes, Extreme Road Trip 2, and Nimble Quest. Here's my graphics and photo organization folder. I have Icon Box, Snap and Drag, Photo Booth, Wallpaper Wizard, Arttext 2, Sweet Home 3D, Photo Batch, Paint It by Corel, Sketchbook Express, My Cover CD, Adobe Revel, or Revel, I don't know how you pronounce it, Blur Booksmart, and Wallpapers Free. Here's my photography and editor section. I have Funtastic Photos, Camera Bag 2, Lightframe, Sketch, Picasa, which I never use, FX Photo Studio Pro, Color Strokes, Dramatic Black and White, sorry about that, ImageSmith, Sweetie, Photor, Lens Flares, and JPEG Mini. Here's my OntoSoft folder with all my OntoSoft stuff. I have OntoSoft Screen Capture, Audio Recorder, Clip Buddy, and Audiobook Converter. Here's my video folder. I have Plex Home Theater, Motion FX, Flip Player, Video Rotate, VidConvert, Miro Video Converter, Movie Desktop, Plex Media Server, Handbrake, Mac X Video Converter Pro, and OneDVD. Here are my menu bar apps. I have Found, Degrees, Bartender, Rescue Time, Attachments Menu, Playback, Main Menu Pro, Trickster, Snappy App, Hide Desktop, and iStat menus. Here's my Canon and Adobe folder. I have the Canon Inkjet Network 2, the Canon Quick Menu, Canon MP Navigator EX 4.0, Canon MP Navigator EX 4.0 Opener, Adobe Application Manager, Easy Photo Print EX, the Adobe Download Assistant, and Adobe Application Manager Launcher utility. Here I have Animation/Programming. I have Scratch, Motion Composer, Animationist, and Mac Flux. Here's Pling. I have Security and Backup. I have Norton, all those apps. Mac Cleanse, Data Guardian, TechTool Pro 6, Mac Hider, Unblender, and Clean My Mac 2. Here's Dashlane and Living Earth Desktop. Here is Code Meter, Authorizer, and Reason. Here's Smarter. I have all my Toast 11 Titanium apps that'll come with it, plus, of course, Toast Titanium. I have Moneybag, CNET Tech Tracker, Dashboard, Swacket. Here are my screensavers. Folder Tidy. I have some Epson utilities. I have some license apps. Secure Access Manager. I have Photoshop and Bridge CS6 plus the Extension Manager. I have a folder of apps. I don't know what they are. I have Type 2 Phone. I have Mac Fonts, the free font collection. Clarify, Alarm Clock, App Zapper, Do, which is now not supported. Some Western Digital utilities. Some crossover app services. Adobe Presenter Video Express, I think is what it is. Some things for my Samsung Smart Camera. Some things for my TI Inspire, Meme Generator, Memory Keeper, Wake Up Time, Wunderlist, Focus, iBooks, Maps, Mac Optimizer, Cinch, and Wirecast, as I told you before, Memory Scope, ScreenFlow, which is not activated. I mostly use Camtasia, even though I don't like Camtasia because it crashes too much. And the and the video gets deleted from the actual screen video too often. I have Plants vs. Zombies, Mac Pilot, uTorrent, which I never use, TeamViewer, Show Express, Blackmagic Speed Test, Flash Media Live Encoder, Line-In, Soundflower, XBMC, Real VNC, Some more of that. Login Hamachi menu bar and Login Hamachi. Air Connect. iTunes. Microsoft OneNote. Procut X server. GarageBand and Security Spy. So guys, oops, sorry. 1 second. So guys, I would like to thank you for joining us in this broadcast. If you would like more, please tell me and I will do that as soon as I can. So, for now, I will see you next time on Drummer Tech. I'm gonna stop this now.